You want to kiss a frog?
Yeah.
Why?
But I do.
Why?
Because they ribbit.
They say ribbit, so you want to kiss a frog?
Yeah.
You usually get a prince when you kiss a frog. You want a husband?
Yeah. A small husband.
A small husband?
Yeah.
You don't want a big husband? No.
You want a big husband.
I do?
Yeah.
Well, that is my husband.
Yeah, that is your husband.
Yep.
And my frog is my husband.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you gonna get a frog that you're gonna kiss and he's gonna turn into your prince?
He's gonna turn me to a princess.
He is?
Yeah. And I got a one.
Oh, really? Oh. Okay, well, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow your frog a kiss.